In a world overrun by podcasts, three grown men, obsessed with tiny cars, decided we needed one more.
It's going to be really good, man. I think people are going to like this.
I'll move a little closer to the mic so you can hear my voice.
Coming January 2022.
It sounds like Chuck is killing somebody in his basement.
Yeah. I told you we'd do it later.
In the trunk.
Puts the lotion on whatever that was.
Dang it. Zeph, you were right. These guys are weird.
Chuck Ellis.
I've got a little note from Mike Espo that says, make something cool. So every time I'm sitting there, I'm like, yeah, got to make something cool.
David Johns.
The very first memory I have is walking around a birthday party, 3 years old, with a handful of Hot Wheels.
And Mark McHotwheel.
Whenever I find these things, I grab them because I gotta have them all.
Are bringing the world of Diecast straight to your ear holes. Collecting, customizing, and culture, the hottest topics in the world of Diecast, plus interviews with the creators and influencers that shape this fascinating community.
We've got a really cool interview that David conducted that's coming up later in this episode, so you want to be sure to stick around for that.
Diecast Breakdown, coming soon. Diecast Breakdown is a presentation of Flying Valiant and the Diecast Media Network.